In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create video and audio fades in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and easily. This is one of the simplest ways to make your edits feel smoother, more professional, and much more polished. Whether you want a gentle fade in at the start of a clip, a clean fade out at the end, or a fast crossfade between two shots, DaVinci Resolve gives you a few easy tools to do it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing guides. Now, let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the Edit page. On your timeline, find the video clip you want to fade. To add a manual video fade, move your mouse cursor to the top left corner if you want to fade in, or the top right corner if you want to fade out. As you hover there, you'll see a small white tab appear. This is called the fade handle. Once you see that white tab, click and drag it inward toward the center of the clip. The farther you drag it, the longer the fade will be. If you drag it just a little, the fade will be short and subtle. If you drag it farther, the fade will be slower and more dramatic. This is perfect for intro shots, outro shots, scene transitions, or anytime you want your video to ease in or out instead of cutting abruptly. Now, let's do the same thing for audio. Below the video track, find the audio clip on the timeline. Hover your mouse over the top left or top right corner of the audio clip. You'll see the matching audio fade handle appear. Just like with video, click and drag that handle inward to create a smooth fade in or fade out for the sound. This is especially useful when you want background music to come in gently, or when you want dialogue, sound effects, or ambient audio to end without a sudden cut. A good audio fade can make your whole edit sound much cleaner and more professional. If you're editing a video with music underneath, this is one of the easiest ways to avoid harsh volume jumps. If you want to create a quick transition between two clips, there's also a fast shortcut you can use. First, make sure the edit point is selected on the timeline, then press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. DaVinci Resolve will apply the default 1-second crossfade automatically to both the video and the audio. This shortcut is a huge time saver when you're editing lots of clips and want consistent transitions without manually dragging every fade handle. It's a great option for interviews, vlogs, travel videos, and any project where you want the cuts to feel more natural. A quick tip, if you need more control, you can always go back and adjust the fade length by dragging the handles again. That means you're never locked in. You can fine-tune the transition until it looks and sounds exactly the way you want. So to recap, for video fades, hover over the top corner of the clip and drag the white fade handle inward. For audio fades, do the same thing on the audio clip to create a smooth volume transition. And for a quick default crossfade, select the edit point and use Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.